on the Airens stand now, and I'm joined by Brad Stiles. Brad, obviously you've got the overarching company, Ariens Co. The brand that we all know, Airens, you brought out a new machine here at the show. Tell us about that.
Yes, absolutely. So we have the Zenith E all-day commercial battery-powered product. So it's fully commercial, and we have 6 different deck sizes here, including side discharge and rear discharge, 48-inch, 52-inch, and 60-inch. That product is fully battery-powered. We also have all-electric drive systems in the drive system and also in the deck. So it's all proprietary to Ariens Co. We've built this product from the ground up, and we're incredibly excited about it.
So, new at the show, what are you getting in terms of feedback? I know it's early.
Yeah, a lot of great feedback from the end users and dealers alike. The big point that we have with the Airens Zenith E is removable batteries, so you can take fuel to the system. So it's truly all-day power,
right.
And also it's our own proprietary drive system, and also the deck motors as well. So we have control over the feel of the mower. We have control over how the mower reacts in commercial environments. So we're very well tested with this product.
And battery life is something that's thrown up all the time.
That's right.
Where are you at with that?
Yeah, so battery life, it depends on the deck. So a rear discharge is going to take more power than a side discharge with a mulching kit. But the rear discharge is going to run between 3.5 and 4 hours. And then you have your side discharge and side discharge with a mulch kit that can run anywhere between 4 to 5.
Okay, so pretty good. And if you got that battery power that you can bring to it, you haven't got to send it back to recharge.
That's right. So you can buy extra batteries for the product. 4 comes with the unit, and then you can buy extra batteries with an off-board charger to have that opportunity.
Okay, and is it a quick process to take them in and out?
Very quick. Yeah, it's 28 kilos. It's very easy to lift out of the machine and put back in. So it's very similar to your hand tools with battery equipment. You just plug in and go.
So where are you seeing the applications for this?
Yeah, so a lot of authority, the councils, the governmental side of it, and landscapers who actually do the authority work. So we're seeing a lot of opportunity with that, based off of noise, based off of just being green and carbon neutral in a lot of their applications. And then, the rear discharge element allows a safety piece to it as well. So we're seeing a ton of opportunity in that sector, and we're actually starting to see some residential people interested in a higher class machine with battery products as well. So all sectors, all segments of the business that we're focused on, we're really seeing a lot of interest in this product.
Talk about interest. One of the things that seems to be a focus on your stand here is AS Motor.
That's right.
That's a bit new. Do you want to tell us about the relationship there?
Yes, absolutely. So AS Motor, the Airens Co team, we acquired and integrated AS Motor back in 2021, in May 2021. And since that, it's been a great relationship. So we're now kind of bringing them all under the Airens Co roof. So AS Motor in Germany, our president and CEO, Larry Wires, he talks about this. We didn't buy AS Motor for the product. Right. We bought AS Motor because the values and the vision align so well with Airens Co. I mean, these are great people in Germany. They've basically taken a brand and made it a top-notch product at the top of its game for slopes and high grass and mulching. Those are the 3 main USPs that AS Motor have. And it's been great because the cool thing from a product perspective is that Airens and AS, they don't have a lot of product overlap. It's a great brand to tag on with Airens because you can solve so many different problems with different solutions depending on the product that you look at.
Okay, so there's a mesh between the two.
That's right.
Do you see some of that technology and research benefiting across both ways?
That's right. The main thing that we're looking at, and we're doing it a little bit differently in Europe and UK than what a lot of our competitors have done. We're not carbon copying a U.S. product and bringing it to the UK and Europe. We have an own design team, our own R&D team. We have our own marketing team. We have our own sales team here in Europe and UK. And our focus is growing that business as a region and making sure that we're sharing those cooperations in those departments. So we're working together to build an excellent Airens Co EMEA, but that's separated from the U.S. team. Obviously, we're one company. But our focus is on Europe, and our focus is building for the European and UK customer.
Okay, so you're not getting an off-the-shelf one-size-fits-all. You're getting it adapted for the right market.
Absolutely, and rear discharge is a great example of that. We designed our own rear discharge product where the U.S. doesn't have a great call for that. We developed it here. We're selling a lot of battery products in Europe and the UK, and that's still just now taking off in the US, but it's not near where it is in Europe and the UK, and so we're pushing that product quite hard.
So going back to AS Motor,
Yep.
what's your aspirations for that in Europe?
Yeah, absolutely. So the AS side, I think our aspirations are to continue the growth pattern it's on, and they've done an excellent job. They have the sales distribution team that's really a great fit with the Airens Co team. So we've basically put our teams together, and we're all working together now under Airens Co. I think what our aspirations are for both to leverage both brands together and really work with each distribution partner and dealer partner to establish both brands and grow them. I think that's our plan.
And in terms of the product that they've got here with you, what's the standout one on the stand this
For
week?
AS, so it's going to be the Sherpa and the Yak. So our ride-on brush cutter and ride-on flail mower. Both products are excellent. They'll go where a lot of others would stop.
Okay.
So that's kind of the tagline with the AS Motor style. And then, you know, the other point is the quality and the durability that's built within the AS Motor product. It's all a rail-built chassis that sits where the entire product sits on, and it's an incredible product that can go anywhere and cut the high grass and slope machines, the toughest conditions that you can imagine.
Brad, you've got a lot of interest on the stand. We're going to get back to your job.
Thank you, Mark.
Lovely to meet you.
Yeah,
and wish you luck with this.
Oh, appreciate it. Thank you so much.